Assalamu alaikum. Once upon a time, there was this class full of letters. They were the letters, the huruf tahajji. They were very good students. The teacher was very happy with them that day. She told them they had been so good that they were all going to get a special treat. They were going to be allowed to go for a picnic. Yay! The huruf tahajji were really excited. But the teacher said, "You know what? It's going to be a hot day outside. I think you all need your caps." So they all wore their Zabar caps. And along with the teacher, they boarded the bus. They were looking forward to their wonderful picnic. Their teacher had made special sandwiches, peanut butter sandwiches and juice, and they had packed their balls and their bats. They were going to have so much fun in the picnic ground. As they were in the bus, they began to sing a song. أبتثجهه دذروز سشصو ضطضع غفق كلمنا وهأيا. Oh, they were having so much fun. When they got to the picnic ground, they were so excited. They all jumped off the bus and with their caps on because it was definitely a hot day. They enjoyed themselves. They played catch, they played ball, they jumped around, they climbed the trees, and soon they were really tired. Oh, the teacher asked them all to collect under the tree. She laid out the rug and on it she placed the picnic basket. Everybody was looking forward to a nice cold drink of juice and a yummy peanut butter jelly sandwich. As they ate, they didn't need their caps anymore. They put their caps on the ground. Now they were their caps. And you know what they said? They were so excited. Ipitifijihihi divirizisishishi titidhiilifiqi kiliminiwihi. Now, they had had so much fun. As they sat talking together, they looked up in the sky. They could see a lot of clouds. And then it became darker and darker, and there was lightning and thunder. Oh no, it was going to rain. The teacher asked them to pack up all their things. They quickly did that. They made sure they didn't leave any garbage on the floor, and they didn't leave any wrappers. They packed everything up, and they ran to the bus. You know what they had in their hands now? Now they had their beige umbrellas. And you know what they were saying as they were running towards the bus? Ubutufujuhuhu duzuruzusushusu dutuzuugufuku kulumunuwuhu uyu.